Good morning, traders. I'm Michael Sabo here with RJO Futures on October 1st, bringing you some commentary here in the energy markets. So let's get started here. Right now we got crude prices here a little bit firmer. We've got that November contract up about 60 cents roughly, trading around 92.77. Brent's also a bit firmer at around 112.64. That's up about 25 cents. You know, you take a look at the price action here. You know, we basically here on the overnight we started to see crude prices here significantly weaker here. We actually took out Friday's low. Then we kind of saw an upturn here and prices started kind of rallying up here. And basically what we have going on in there right now is that we had some weak economic data coming out of Asia here on the overnight, mainly out of China, mainly out of in Japan as well. Certainly it looks like we are seeing some data that's suggesting once again that things are slowing. That kind of got the market moving lower. Then early this morning here we had Fed President Evans come out, make some positive comments about QE3, and it kind of swung the market here back on the upswing here. Taking a look at nat gas, so we got nat gas prices quite firm here this morning. We're up about 10 to 11 cents. That's about a 3-cent move, trading around 342.5. So give me a call if you like to play that nat gas. I got to tell you, take a look at the chart there. It's been making a move here. I've got some ideas, some strategies. Give me a buzz. We can go over that. And then taking a look at the complex here, a bit firmer as well. RBOB up over a penny and a half right now, around 293.70-ish area. And we've got the heat firmer as well, up about 50 ticks there, around 316.5. So certainly just an overall firmer tone here right now. You know, one of the things I wanted to point out here last week that I was mentioning here is that, you know, I was talking a little bit about seeing open interest there declining a little bit, and that's kind of what this Commitment of Traders report kind of confirmed to us. We actually saw money managers, according to the COT report, slashing their long position, cutting back on it here by about 17% here roughly. And if you look at the open interest there, we actually saw open interest sliding there a little bit. So what that suggests to me is this, is that it wasn't necessarily new shorts really coming into the market, more of some long liquidation there. If you take a look at the chart formation, you know, we saw that kind of that big sell-off. The market kind of came up. We dipped down again. We're kind of coming back up. We could have a bit of a double top in play there. So we'll kind of see how the rest of it today plays out. We do have some economic data that's going to be coming out here a little bit. See, you know, my initial ideas are is that market may make a push up there, and we'll see if that double top area holds here or not. You know, the technicals seem to be a bit mixed in this area. I think we're still going through some consolidation. You know, there's still obviously, you know, geopolitical risk in that market, so we got to keep a close eye on that. Although I really think that this economic data coming out of Asia is really kind of front and center here right now. So kind of keep an eye on things and see where we move from here. Watch those technicals. Give me a call. We can get into more detail here, discuss some different strategies. You know, my personal opinion is I still think that the market does have some potential to retest on those lows, move into that lower 80 area. But, you know, you got to be cautious, no doubt. So give me a call. We can get into more detail on that. The number's on the screen, or shoot me an email. Of course, remember that futures trading does involve substantial amount of risk. It may not be suitable for all traders. Good luck and good trading.